Boy, my Target here in Florida really came through. You've got the deluxe Clam Champ. You got the deluxe Ram Man. You've got Stratos, my favorite character. Let's see, He-Man, Skeletor, Skelegod. This is a new He-Man right there, Masterverse. Oh, that's FAKER. Cool with the head. It's all FAKER. All the stuff that's been out for a while. Let's see, here's Skeletor. We got Moss Man, He-Man. We've seen all these guys before. Evelyn, He-Man. But cool, I gotta hide a Stratos, my favorite character. I gotta hide this bad boy. Rodimusbill at our new toy store, new toy sighting in Target, Florida.